Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now. First, confirm the watch is unlocked and paired. On the watch, open Settings, or on your iPhone, open the Watch app and tap Accessibility. Once there, find Zoom and tap it to view the toggle. You're doing this early so you can see immediate results. If Zoom is on, you'll see a blue switch. Tap it to turn Zoom off. Make sure to watch the screen as it may be magnified while you operate the menu. Once Zoom is off, make a few follow-up changes so it doesn't return unexpectedly. On the same accessibility screen, disable the Zoom controller and follow focus options. These prevent accidental taps from re-enabling magnification. If you prefer not to fully disable Zoom, reduce maximum zoom and set zoom region to window rather than full screen so gestures are less disruptive. Finish by testing. Double tap with 2 fingers to verify Zoom no longer activates and try scrolling to ensure normal touch response. If the watch still zooms, restart it. A reboot clears temporary settings conflicts. Make sure your watch OS is up to date because old versions can misbehave. If restarting fails, unpair and repair the watch from your iPhone as a last resort. That resets corrupted accessibility state. Troubleshooting tip: always restart before unpairing to save time and preserve backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.